Do you often feel like your ears are blocked? It could be due to excessive earwax buildup. But don't worry, we've got the ultimate earwax cleaning guide to help you say goodbye to blocked ears for good. First, let's talk about some common symptoms of earwax buildup. You may experience a feeling of fullness in your ears, difficulty hearing, or even earaches. It's important to address these issues as excessive wax can lead to more serious problems. So, how can you safely clean your ears at home? Let's start with some natural remedies. Warm some olive oil or baby oil and put a few drops into your ear. Gently massage the area around your ear to let the oil make its way deep into the ear canal. This will help soften and loosen the wax. After a few minutes, tilt your head to the side and let the oil and wax drain out onto a tissue. Do not use cotton swabs or other objects to clean your ears, as this can push the wax further inside and potentially damage your eardrum. If the natural remedies don't do the trick, you may need to try some over-the-counter ear drops. These drops contain hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide, which can effectively break down the wax. Follow the instructions on the packaging carefully. Sometimes, earwax can become so impacted that it requires professional intervention. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. They may recommend an ear irrigation procedure or remove the wax using specialized instruments. Remember, prevention is key. Avoid using cotton swabs or inserting any foreign objects into your ears. And if you're prone to excessive earwax, you can try using a wax softening solution regularly to keep your ears clean and clear. Thanks for watching our ultimate earwax cleaning guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. Your ears will thank you.